Welcome to Maths Katta, my YouTube channel. Standard 10, Maths 1, Chapter number 2, Quadratic Equations. Today we are going to study about the solution of quadratic equations by formula method. Now consider the given equation, which is a quadratic equation, and compare it with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. From that you can find the value of a, b, c that we studied earlier in the earlier videos. Then substitute these values of a, b and c in the formula. Now what is the formula to find the roots of this quadratic equation? That the formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now when we separate this plus sign or minus sign, we get the two values that they are denotes. These values are denoted by alpha and beta, which are called as a root of the quadratic equation. Alpha is equal to minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. In this formula, when you substitute the values of a, b and c, then you can solve it and then find the values of x, which are called as the roots of the quadratic equation. This is very simple method to solve the quadratic equation. Now consider the example. Solve the following quadratic equations by formula method. First example is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. First of all, write down the given equation as it is, and then write comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When you compare this equation, then you will get the value of a, that is the coefficient of x square, that is 1. Value of b means coefficient of x, which is equal to c, and the constant term is 5. Means a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5. You can substitute in the direct formula, or you can find first of all the value of b square minus 4ac separately. Consider this under root term, that is b square minus 4ac first of all. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5, that is 36 minus 20, that is 16. Then when you get the value of b square minus 4ac, then under root sign, the term you can directly write now the value as 16. Then x is equal to minus b. What is the value of b? Is 6. Then minus b is minus 6. Therefore write down here minus 6. Plus minus as it is. And then under root of 16 upon 2a means 2 into 1. When you solve this, you will get minus 6 plus minus square root of 16 is 4 upon 2. That is minus 6 plus 4 separately, and minus 6 minus 4 separately again upon 2 as it is in the two roots. These are the two roots. Separate it and again solve it. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 upon 2 is minus 1. Now x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 upon 2 as it is. Again minus 10 upon 2 is minus 5. The last values of x are minus 1 and minus 5. Then write down the answer completely as minus 1 and minus 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Very simple examples these are. Again consider the next example. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. Here maybe their coefficient of m square or square term may be 1 or may not be 1. Now consider the given equation as it is and compare it with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You can write here instead of x as the given variable in the example, that is am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0, and then compare it. You will get the value of a, b and c. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 7. Take the value of c as minus 7 with their sign, not only 7. Then find out the value of b square minus 4ac separately. B square is 2 square minus 4 as it is. A is 3 and C is minus 7. Write down this minus 7 and 3 both terms in the brackets. Then the answer is 4. 2 square is 4 plus 4 into 3 into minus 7 is 84. Then plus 7 minus into minus will become plus. Then you will get plus 4 plus 84, that is equal to 88. Now write down the formula again. Then substitute the value. Minus b means minus 2 plus minus root 88 upon 2 into 3. Now split this 88 in such a way that only one term from the factor is a complete square. That means minus 2 as it is plus minus 4 into 22 upon 6. You know the value of square root of 4 is 2. Then take it outside. Then minus 2 plus minus 2 into under root of 22 upon 6. Take 2 common from the numerator. When we get 2 common, then the bracket term will contain minus 1 plus minus as it is. This 2 is common. Under root of 22 as it is. That common 2, divide this 6, you will get 3. Means cancellation again. Minus 2 upon 6 will become 3. Then there is no after this step we cannot solve it because it is a mixed, and therefore the value of x write down separately with minus, plus and minus sign. That means x is equal to minus 1 plus under root of 22 upon 3 is 1 root, and x is equal to minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3 is another root. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Again, consider the next example. In this, the coefficient of y is in fraction. Observe the example. Y square plus 1 upon 3 y is equal to 2. First of all, write down this equation in the standard form, means transfer this 2 on the left hand side. Then you will get y square plus 1 upon 3 y minus 2 is equal to 0. Compare it with the standard form again. Then the value of a is 1, b is equal to 1 by 3 and c is equal to minus 2. Find out the value of b square minus 4ac separately. B square is 1 upon 3 square minus 4 as it is. A is 1 and C is minus 2. Then 1 upon 3 square is 1 upon 9. Minus into minus will become plus. 4 into 2 is 8. Means 1 upon 9 plus 8. 8 means 8 upon 1. Make the denominator same. Then you will get 1 plus 8 into 9, that is 72 upon 9. That means 73 upon 9. This is the value of b square minus 4ac. Then write down the formula. That is x is equal to, don't write here x, write down y, because in this example the variable is y. Therefore y is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Minus b means minus 1 upon 3 plus minus under root of 73 by 9 upon 2. Minus 1 by 3 as it is, plus minus as it is. Now the square root of this 73 we cannot find. Then separate the square root sign for numerator and denominator. Take square root of 9 as 3 outside. That means it becomes 1 upon 3 again into root 73 upon 2 as it is. Now 1 upon 3 is common. Take it outside. Then numerator will become minus 1 plus minus root 73. Now that 1 upon 3, when we multiplied it by 2, it becomes 1 upon 6. That is, denominator becomes 6. And after this we cannot solve, and therefore write the roots of the equation separately. But here don't write x here, write down y, because the variable is y. Y is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6 and y is equal to minus 1 minus root 17 upon 6. Thus, these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Write down in word again the last answer. If you understood this, then like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.